Good afternoon. Kirk Ashton appearing in court virtually this morning. Ashton is the principal at Northwood Elementary School in Hilton. He's accused of sex abuse and endangering the welfare of 11 students. Kayla Green was in the courtroom and joins us live from the Hall of Justice in Rochester. Kayla, good afternoon. What happened?
Well, good afternoon, Mark. Ashton pleaded not guilty to all 25 counts that he is accused of. He appeared virtually from Niagara County Jail, which is where he's being held, and that ended up playing into a topic of conversation regarding bail during court today. Now, as I said, Ashton was indicted on 25 charges, 7 counts of second-degree sexual conduct against a child, 7 counts of first-degree sexual abuse, and 11 counts of endangering the welfare of a child. After pleading not guilty to all counts, Ashton's lawyer, Robert King, moved to decrease bail, which had been set at $350,000. King says he's been talking to Ashton on the phone, but when trial preparation begins, he wants to be able to easily meet with Ashton. He argued he is not a flight risk and requested bail be lowered to $175,000. The prosecution argued he could be a flight risk with his community support gone. She says he does have a job and a paycheck, but says it's their understanding he can't report to that building any longer. They also mentioned his wife has filed for divorce and mentioned Ashton saying his wife owns the house he was living in. Prosecutor Sarah Von Stridunk also says she doesn't think the original bail was too high, considering Ashton is still collecting a paycheck. The judge lowered bail to $250,000 cash.
It seems as though the support he has in the community is not there anymore, and while he has a job and paycheck only, he's not allowed to report to that building. That's my understanding. So all of the things that would keep people connected and tied to this community. It was our position that he doesn't have those, but there is bail that is set in a substantial amount, so we're hopeful that again, bail is just to have somebody return to court, and we're hopeful that that amount will ensure that he does return to court.
Just that they give you a fair shake and listen to what you have to say, and they make their decisions based on what they think is the best. And obviously she changed what 2 other judges have done, so I would say Mr. Ashton appreciates that. Allegations, every violent felony allegation is very serious. We've dealt with many, many violent felonies in the past. You've seen many, many not guilty verdicts come out of this building. It's going to be based on facts and evidence, and as it should.
Ashton's lawyer says he isn't sure whether his client will be posting bail. He also mentioned he hasn't received any discovery yet, any police or incident reports or anything to look over at this point. Today in court, the judge also signed orders of protection for 10 of the 11 alleged victims. Live in Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
Kayla, thank you. Coming up, pretrial motion arguments set for July 15th in this case, and a pretrial hearing scheduled for August 27th. We'll continue to follow it.